Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to ventilate your closure or frontal hairline to look pre-plucked without using tweezer on it. This tutorial will save you the stress of ventilating and still plucking out the hair strands you ventilated on the lace, simply because you want to achieve a natural looking hairline. So as you can see, I have ventilated close to the front part of the lace and the hairline is looking so weird and unnatural. Before we get into how to ventilate the hairline, I want you guys to ignore the roots of the blonde hair, because I know someone will ask me, why is the blonde hair roots having another color? Well, I darkened the lace using a darker shade of foundation so that it can be visible for you guys to see what I'm doing and how I ventilate. So on the process of darkening the lace using the foundation, it got on the roots of the blonde hair. And also the white stuff underneath the lace is a white paper, which I'll remove when I'm done ventilating. So now let's get to why we are here. So just put your ventilating needle through the lace and pick 2 strands of hair. Strictly 2 strands of hair, please. Pull and knot. So when I ventilate and knot, I skip a hole, then ventilate on the next one. For this line, I'll ventilate using 2 strands of hair only. Please guys, watch this video in higher picture quality for better view. So I'll go ahead and complete it off camera, then come back and show you guys. So as you can see, I have completed that line using only 2 strands of hair and skipping a hole while I ventilate. So on the next line, I'm gonna be ventilating using a strand of hair, and when I ventilate, I skip a hole. Ventilate and skip a hole using just 1 strand of hair. So while ventilating using a strand of hair, I don't mind the parts, I just ventilate across it. So guys, getting to the second to the last line and the last line, I'm gonna be skipping 2 holes as I ventilate, and I'm still picking just a strand of hair while ventilating. Now this is the last line. I'm still skipping 2 holes while ventilating, and I am still using just a strand of hair. So if you want your hairline to look natural, skip 2 to 3 holes and ventilate using just a strand of hair. And at the end of the ventilation, trust me, the hairline is gonna look as natural as a real human hairline. There won't be any need for plucking. See how natural the hairline is looking, guys. You can't compare it with the other side that I'm yet to do. So I'll go off camera and finish the other side, then come back and show you guys. And this is the finished look, guys. If you find this tutorial really helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next one.